What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
What is your name?
My name is Sophie.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I would love to go.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to visit the Maldives.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thank you.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedies.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am.
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 7 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 30 minutes.
Can I speak to Sophia, please?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the beach.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course, that would be nice.
Could we have lunch together one day?
With pleasure.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to the beach.
Do you prefer traveling by train or plane?
I prefer a plane.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I visit museums.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to London last year.
How many countries have you traveled to?
I've traveled to 5 countries.
How long will you be staying?
I'm here until the end of the month.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I have.
May I see your ID, please?
Here it is.
What kind of room would you like?
I'd like a single room, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
What time do you close?
We close at 8 p.m.
What time do you open?
We open at 9 a.m.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, if you like.
Do you need any help packing?
No, thanks, I can manage myself.
Can you offer me any discount?
Yes, of course.
How much would you like?
I'd like 2 kilos.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Could you tell me where the fruit is?
It's on the shelf.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for coffee.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm on vacation.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course, here you are.
How long have you been feeling like this?
For 3 days.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy playing tennis and swimming.
What's your favorite food?
Sushi is my favorite.
Er.
I love the color black.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice is my favorite.
What kind of films do you like?
I'm a fan of horror and action films.
Where do you study?
I'm a student at Cambridge University.
What time do you go to school?
I head to school at 7 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
What is your major?
I'm majoring in computer science.
Why are you studying English?
Because it's very important and necessary.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
I aspire to be a programmer.
How did you learn English?
I took an intensive course.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English since I was 8.
Which year are you in?
I'm in the 4th year.
Do you have any exams coming up?
I've graduated.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
How is the weather?
It's rainy.
What's the date today?
It's the 16th of September.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to the zoo.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Is there anything I can do to help?
It's okay, thanks.
What's on your mind?
It's not your business.
What did you do last night?
I went to the park.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the park with my friends.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Can you ice skate?
No, I can't ice skate.
What is your favorite type of flower?
I love roses.